Here are 3 interesting facts about AI that everyone should know in 2023. Rapid advancements. AI continues to advance at an astonishing pace. In 2023, we have witnessed significant progress in various AI domains, such as natural language processing, computer vision, and reinforcement learning. This rapid advancement is fueled by the availability of big data, improved hardware capabilities, and breakthroughs in algorithms. Ethical considerations. As AI becomes increasingly integrated into various aspects of our lives, ethical considerations surrounding its use have gained significant attention. Issues like bias in AI systems, data privacy, transparency, and accountability have become focal points for researchers, policymakers, and technology companies. Ensuring that AI is developed and deployed ethically is crucial for its responsible and beneficial use. AI in healthcare. AI is revolutionizing healthcare by improving diagnosis, treatment, and patient care. In 2023, AI-powered systems are assisting doctors in diagnosing diseases more accurately and quickly, predicting patient outcomes, and analyzing medical images. AI is also being used to develop personalized treatment plans and drug discovery, leading to more efficient healthcare practices.